Hey my friend, what is all the buzz about today? And why am I dressed in this ridiculous outfit? If you could only see the rest of it. Stay tuned to find out. Metcalfe with another episode of Pop Pretty on Purpose. And in today's episode, I will be talking about the power of the bumblebees buzz in our face washing and teeth cleaning routine, and hopefully encourage you to level up your skincare and your oral care routine, right? So let's get busy. Let's get buzzing. So let's do it. So, I live in the Central Valley of California in a little town called Oakdale. My uncle from Arkansas likes to refer to this area as the home of the fruits and the nuts, the land of the fruits and the nuts. And, in all seriousness, I do live in the land of the fruits and nuts, especially the almond trees, which are just finished blossoming beautifully this year. So why am I telling you this story in particular? Because almond trees use bees to pollinate their blossoms to produce the wonderful nut that we all enjoy eating, right? So what in the world does that have to do with my topic today? Well, did you know, I found this to be quite fascinating, did you know that bumblebees use sonic movement to pollinate, referred to as sonication or buzz pollination? They rapidly vibrate their little wings, their flight muscles actually, to release firmly attached pollen. This highly efficient sonication produces a buzzing sound that you can hear. Beating their wings around 130 times per second or more, bumblebees can create powerful vibrations that won't harm the delicate flowers. So imagine what 200 times per second of sonic movement can do for releasing dirt, oil, impurities, makeup, and pollutants from your skin. Well, I am here to introduce to you today the Skinvigorate Sonic Brush. I happen to use the one by Mary Kay, but I want to talk to you about the importance of washing your face with sonic movement, as well as brushing your teeth with sonic movement. I'm going to give a little plug to the Quib toothbrush. Oh my gosh, my daughter convinced me into getting a subscription to Quib, and I'll be talking to you about that too. It's pretty cool. Both use sonic movement, and basically what that means in terms of like a brush for washing your face, most of us aren't cleansing our face good enough. Most of us know that you need to brush your teeth for like 1 to 2 minutes. Quip stresses the importance of 2 minutes. I'm sure the other sonic toothbrushes do as well. But I would probably be good for 30 seconds in a normal toothbrushing with just a regular toothbrush. This has a built-in timer, and every 30 seconds it gives you a little beep, like a little buzz, like 2 buzzes in a row to tell you it's time to move to a different spot until it gets done with 2 minutes, right? Which is super handy, super cool, battery operated, comes with a little case. It's just great to use, right? Well, it basically, with the Skinvigorate brush, and using the analogy to wash our face really well, most of us probably don't wash our face for a full minute or 2 minutes. And quite honestly, that's, if we're really not washing it good enough, okay? So I am just here to start off with the basics of really getting your skin clean. And then of course, I am gonna be merging on into wonderful topics to help us with increased cell turnover. We're going to talk about exfoliation in the future, importance of serums, all kinds of good things. But today we're starting with the basics, girlfriend. Wash your face with a good brush, Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, brushes with sonic movement like this one remove dirt and impurities 4 times better than washing just with your hands, right? Even with washing with a washcloth. So back to that bumblebee example and the power of sonic movement, you just can't beat it, right? So this particular sonic brush has 3 settings: slow, medium, and super fast. I usually just do it on the medium. And it is not circling around, it's pulsating sonic movement, and when you start using it, you just move it around in your face and it's doing its thing. Okay, just like the Quib toothbrush does. You know, you just move it around, you don't really have to do a whole bunch with it, but it's taking the plaque off. So what I really love about this brush, first of all, you don't have to change your head except every about 3 months. And first of all, oh my goodness, the cost of this brush is one of the most affordable ones on the market for the quality of brush that it is. It retails for $75, includes this brush, which is great. And the head replacements I think they come in a pack of 2 for $25, and they just recommend replacing them every 3 months. They pop on and pop off super easy. But there's no battery with this brush. It is powered by, you charge it with a micro USB, which is great. And honestly, I haven't had to charge my brush in like a year. It stays charged forever. You start off with a full charge, and I use it morning and night. It has a built-in timer, so you're getting the right amount of cleansing for your face. It's waterproof. You can put it in the shower if you want. And there's no hassle with you don't have to stick it in a charger, which I love. So you can just take the head off, plop it in your drawer, whatever. It takes up less room on your counter, but you don't have to leave it in a charger, which I super appreciate. So yeah, and that's basically, again, the science behind the power of all this is with the ability to oscillate more than 200 times per second. Our Skinvigorate sonic skincare system is designed to provide rapid back and forth vibrations and deep clean that gently lifts away pore clogging impurities. So it also cleans in hard to reach places with 20,000 micro bristles. It's safe enough to use twice a day. It's even safe for people with sensitive skin. It preps your skin for the next step in skincare, which I think is super important. So if it's really, really clean, then your serum that you're going to use next is going to penetrate deeper, which is going to help increase that cell turnover that we're looking for to boost our collagen. So yeah, this is just a fantastic product. So I wanted to give a little quick plug for the cleanser I use to put on this little beauty. You cannot get a better anti-aging cleanser than Timewise 3D, which is a 4-in-1 cleanser. It comes in 2 different formulas, a cream-based cleanser for normal to dry skin, and then a gel-based cleanser for combination to oily. And it's 4-in-1 because it does 4 things in one step, which saves you time, makes you wise with your time. It obviously cleanses. It has a gentle exfoliator built into it, which is really nice. It brightens your skin because it's loaded with vitamin B3, which is a powerful skin brightener as well as an antioxidant. And it has, it has a built-in toner, which is super cool. So, oh my goodness, if you tried this cleanser, you would love it. It's got a little cap, which makes it easy to dispense, and it's wonderful. Lasts forever too. Okay, so yeah, just in closing, if you liked today's episode, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, drop me some comments. Love that. The comments are where you and I connect. It's where I get feedback from you, and I get to answer any questions you might have. So drop me a comment what you liked, what you learned. Do you have any questions? If you're interested in this product at all, or cleanser, or anything else, in my descriptions I'll have a link to my website. Of course, I'm always available to help with any questions or concerns. And also at the end of every month, for people who leave comments, I do a monthly drawing for a free giveaway. So hey, you want to make sure you do that. And of course, if you're not a subscriber to this channel already, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell so that you're notified when the next episode pops up. And I'd love for you to share this video with some of your friends if you find it interesting. So until next time, stay buzzing and poppin'.